And now the lizard plays her trump card. A female horned lizard guards her buried eggs and is keeping a lookout for anything that might interfere with them. A western patch-nosed snake, and she won't stand for it. The patch-nose is no match for this kind of aggression. Her eggs are safe, for now. Another predator, a coach-whip snake, and this species is a lizard eater. And she can tell the difference. The snake is too fast for her to outrun it, so she makes herself look larger and taller. And now the lizard plays her trump card. The snake isn't accustomed to prey that does this. One very confused snake. Now she can return to guard duty.